Oh my god. That's incredible. Hey YouTube. Just wanted to show you this 1973 metal fuel tank. If you haven't guessed by now, it's a John Deere fuel tank. And it's completely original from the looks of it. It says John Deere here. This is the original red cap. The rubber on the inside is still working pretty nice. So this was taken out of the sled and replaced with a plastic tank at some point because this needs to be cleaned and there's some rust in the bottom of it. So I'm going to show you my process of cleaning it. Hopefully it'll work and I'll put it back in the sled that it deserves to go in. That's disturbing. It's pretty rusty. Try and show some of that for you. Let's see if I can. That's probably the worst of it right there. That's really rusty, but I wonder if I can get it out. Ooh, oh my god. That's incredible. Wow.